guys, it's Lexi here and I'm back with another video. So for this video, I'm just gonna record my turtles and I'm going to the pet shop later, so I'll also record that. But yeah guys, let's see Shelly and Craig. Hi Craig. Hey Craig, what's up Craig? Here's Craig, and what's up Shelly? Here's Shelly back here. Shelly and Craig. Here's Shelly. Shelly is the turtle with no spots on her stomach. Well, she has 2 spots on her chest, but that's it. And Craig is the one with all the spots on his stomach. He has a lot. So that's how I tell them apart. Shelly and Craig. Shelly and Craig. They probably want some more food, but I already fed them this morning. I fed them a half of this spoon full of krill, and I put a few floating food sticks in there, so they're good for breakfast. Oh, Shelly and Craig. They're so cute and funny. Shelly and Craig. They love their habitat. They've got a rock, a skull decoration, a nice clean filter, and the rocks. I think the rocks look really good in there. They have a plant that is partially fallen over, and you know, they have these heat lights and their vitamin light, calcium vitamin light. You know, they're in a very happy habitat. They are some lucky, lucky pets. Let's go check out Rocky. Let's see what he's doing. Rocky, Rocky, Rocky. I have to open the blinds in the living room to get to see Rocky. Uh-oh. Oh, these blinds are really messed up. I don't know what's up with them. Alright, we're opening the blinds. Rocky, there's Rocky. Oh, Rocky. Oh, Rock Dog. He's running back and forth. He's outside right now. Rocky. Rocky, Rocky, Rocky. I feel like giving Rocky some chili. Let's give Rocky some chili. Alright, guys, let's do this. Rocky. You want that chili? Okay, he's gonna eat all the chili we gave him.
Take a sip, Rocky.
Can I have that, Rocky? Can I have that food? Can I have your chili?
Yes, Rocky.
Do you like your chili, Rocky? You like that chili? He's licking it clean, Mom. Oh, Rocky. Rock dog. He's still trying to lick it clean. Oh, not anymore. He got it all. Did you get it all, Rocky? Get it all? Was that good? Is that good, Rocky? You're still gonna lick it clean. You're still gonna try to get extra chili, aren't you? Good boy, Rocky. Guys, that was freaking hilarious. We took Rocky, we put him inside, and we gave him some leftover chili from our dinner last night. That was hilarious. Oh, Rock Dog. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go get a haircut, and then I'm gonna go to Sandy's pet shop. So yeah, let's go get a haircut. Alright everybody, so I just got home from the salon, and my hair is curled, it's cut. I got like 2 inches off, like a lot cut off. And I have a dressy shirt on, and I have these epic, amazing jeans on. So yeah, oh my god. Who is knocking on my door? Nathiano.
Let's go.
Oh yeah, let's go to Sandy's pet shop.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom and then we can leave.
Let's go, peoples. Alright, everybody, so we're here at Sandy's pet shop. I remember this bird. This bird is so old. It talks, but she might be shy. Turtles! 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 So many turtles! Turtles! I love turtles.
It says the baby turtles are not for sale.
Baby turtles not for sale.
You're in babies. I don't see any babies. Over here. Come on.
I don't think they have any babies, actually.
See, look.
Rabbits. Guinea pigs. These ferrets. Ferrets. I can't believe that these mice are $2 each. They're probably used for food. I don't think anybody would want these as a pet. But that one is pretty entertaining on the wheel, actually, so I can understand why someone would want a pet mouse if they kept it clean. Because some mice are really dirty. But these are pretty cute I almost said pretty cute turtles. But these are pretty cute mice. These birds are going crazy. The birds are pretty cute and cool. Look at these. Guys, look at these fish. Oh, my camera's kind of blurry. Hang on. Alright, but you can barely see, but these fish are in these tiny little containers and they have little filters. Like, there's tiny filters in there for the fish. I think some of these are betas. Like, I can tell that one is probably a beta fish. But they have little filters in their tank. The fish are kind of cute. I might get one. Actually, no. If I put a fish in my turtle tank, the turtles would probably eat the fish, so that's not really a good idea. You can hear the noise of all the little filters. It's awesome. These are only $6. Wow. That bird looks funny. Look at these baby bearded dragons. They're expensive. But they're cute. I'm back at the turtle tank because I love turtles. You all know it. Some turtles are asleep and there's others that are awake over here swimming. The turtles are epic. I love these turtles. There's so many just over here like basking. I'm a awesome turtle lady. I think this one is the king, the biggest turtle in the tank. I think so, compared to all the other ones. And there's actually fish in here too. Fish that are like big enough to where the turtles can't eat them. So, you know, it's kind of a mixed tank. turtles and fish in one tank. That's pretty cool. Epic. This fish is in a tank by himself. Look at him. He's looking at the camera. He's looking at the camera. I swear this fish is just like staring at the camera. Wow. Amazing fish. Amazing. These goldfish are so cute. Are these even goldfish? They're orandas, however you say that. Orandas? And then I don't know what that is. I have no idea. But these are called orandas. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Orandas. Look at all of these birds. I really want to get one of these Finding Nemo and Finding Dory decorations for Shelly and Craig's tank, but I'm not sure which one I can get, and I don't know if these will be okay to put in the turtle tank. They're more than likely gonna be able to be put in the tank, but I'm thinking about getting one of these for Shelly and Craig. I think I'm gonna get this one if I can. Hey everybody, so I just got home from Sandy's Pet Shop, and I got my cousin here with me.
Not here.
Abby's staying the night. Abby.
So much Halloween candy.
Abby.
No,
Abby.
not here.
Abby!
No.
You crazy lady.
Suckers.
3 suckers.
And then I had a Smarties, and then I had a bunch of those cookie dough things.
Reveal your face. Oh no.
I'm ugly.
No, you don't. Reveal your face. Reveal the face
What is this?
of the Abby.
No.
Reveal the face of the Abby. I'm gonna sit here until I see your face. Hey! Abby! Abby! Abby. 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 She's
Dang it.
revealing her face.
Dang it.
What?
I didn't want to.
Reveal your face. But you did. Good for you. Okay everybody, so I'm gonna end the vlog here, but leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you next time, so yeah guys, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye! Say bye, Abby.
No.
Bye!